The person that struggles to know how to do your makeup, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do your own glam makeover by yourself. Firstly, you just need your own foundation, and this is my correct shade. You put it on areas that you know you're not going to put your concealer on, so that you not have like double layers of products on your face. I'm not going to put on my under eye area because I know that's where concealer goes on top of. So after blending everything together, you're going to need to contour and you're going to need to conceal. So I'm going to be using my concealer palette from veebeauty. Firstly, I'm going to start with my contour before adding my concealer. I'm going over with this shade here because it's the darkest shade I have in the palette, and that's what I'm going to use to contour exactly here, exactly on my cheekbones area, and you're good to go. Your forehead side, also your jawline. Sometimes you may want to contour your nose, but we're getting there, not now. Moving on to your concealer, I use this shade for my brow bone, so I'm going to use it for my concealer to conceal under my eyes and my T-zone area. Contouring, you may want to color correct, but since it's beginner friendly, you may not actually know how to blend it properly. So we're just going to conceal direct. I'm putting it at my inner corner side and outer corner side. You don't need too much. A little goes a long way, so you don't need to waste your product just because you're doing your makeup by yourself. So inner corner and outer corner, sides of your nose, cupid's bow, jaw. What do you call this place? Is it chin? Oh, see, yeah, your chin. Your chin, and then your forehead. Later on, I'll show you how to contour your nose. Your cheeks inwards again, like that. In. Now when blending this side, you want to blend downwards and not upwards. Now when blending like this, it's normal for you to have this harsh line. So what you're exactly going to do is you're going to use the brush that you used earlier on for your contour, and then you blend everything all over together, just like this. And just like that, the harsh line is out of your way, no issue. Contouring your nose is very easy, there's no issue there. I'm going to use the same shade of concealer that I use for contouring your cheekbones and your forehead, and you're going to start all over from your brow area, from here, and then you just go down like that, shaping your nose. So you want to form like an arc down from the edge of your brows. Down like that. But it's okay if you make a mistake, because when you're concealing the needle part, it's all going to blend together with no issue. Blending that in here. The same concealer you use for your T-zone area, you're going to use it to contour the middle of your nose here. Unibrow in between your two brows, make sure it's there, just like that, and then you blend it with the same brush, just like that. You're not done yet. The same brush that I used to blend my T-zone area, my inner corner and my outer corner, that's what I'm going to use to blend the sides of my nose, in order to get rid of any harsh lines. And voila. Then let me show you how you're going to place your blush. I'm using my lipstick palette. It's from Aebony Cosmetics. So from Aebony Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using this for my blush. A lip palette can also be used for your blush. So orange is my favorite blush color, so I'm going to be using orange and this orange and this pink. So both of these colors, that's what I'm going to be using. For the orange, I'm going to put it here at the outer side. A little goes a long way, do not forget, because it's very pigmented because of the product. So from here to here. And then with that same brush, I'm going to go over with the pink shade and here to blend it together. Make sure you blend it into your cheek side to your forehead side. You could also use a little bit of the product and add it to your nose to give it that blush effect. And voila, you're done. Make sure you follow me, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below for part 2, and I'm going to show you how to bake without actually using baking powder, just your powder palette. See you next time.